Do I qualify for disability insurance benefits if I have epileptic and non-epileptic seizures? You may have purchased your disability insurance policy on your own or through your employer. Regardless of how you got your disability insurance policy, you need to know that disability insurance companies don't always make it easy for policyholders who have seizures to get the disability benefits they deserve. A seizure will occur when there is abnormal electrical activity in your brain. Recurrent seizures are called epilepsy. Epilepsy is a brain disorder that causes seizures that can occur when nerve cells or neurons in the brain send out the wrong signals. There's no known cause, though seizures can be triggered by brain injury, tumor, infection, stroke, withdrawal from Xanax or other medications, abuse of drugs or alcohol, low blood sugar, and even cancer. Disability insurance companies don't understand the types of seizures and the subtypes of seizures. There are 2 generalized types of seizures and many subtypes which are based on the pattern of the attack. A generalized seizure involves both sides of the brain, and common subtypes can include grand mal or petite mal seizures. Partial or focal seizures can begin in a specific area of the brain and can spread to the entire brain. Epileptic seizures can range from brief to long periods of shaking, and in about 70% of cases, they are controlled by medication. But it's not uncommon for disability insurance carriers to deny the payment of benefits on the basis that the seizure disorder is well controlled, or that the seizures don't occur often enough to be disabling. The carrier will also ignore the cognitive complications caused by seizures. Disability insurance companies also don't understand the common symptoms of epileptic seizures. It's not uncommon for epilepsy to also result in depression, anxiety disorder, and migraines. Disability carriers will often apply the mental nervous limitation in a policy and attempt to limit the benefits to just 24 months. They'll also ignore the common symptoms that can include staring spells, temporary confusion, uncontrolled jerking in movements, and loss of consciousness. Unfortunately, disability insurance companies also don't understand non-epileptic seizures. A non-epileptic seizure is different from epilepsy because they have a different cause. A non-epileptic seizure can be caused by a physical or organic cause, including low blood sugar or diabetes, or even a psychological condition. It's crucial to distinguish whether your non-epileptic seizures have an organic or a psychological cause. Why? Many carriers will apply the mental nervous limitations to a seizure with mental or emotional causes. A psychogenic seizure can include dissociative seizures, which happen unconsciously, panic attacks, which cause you to lose consciousness and even shake, and factitious seizures, where a person has had some level of conscious control of himself or herself. Dissociative seizures often are caused by traumatic events, including a major accident, emotional upset, psychological stress, difficult relationships, and physical or sexual abuse. Unfortunately, disability carriers don't always favorably view epileptic and non-epileptic seizures. Many claims are denied on the basis that there's just no objective basis for the diagnosis, no objective basis for the restrictions and limitations that have been assigned, or no causal relationship between the restrictions and limitations and your inability to do your own or any education. If your claim for disability benefits have been denied, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. You owe it to yourself and your family to learn more about your rights to your disability insurance benefits. I can help you get the benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States. 727-894-3188.